Yeah, I had a dream I was king. I woke up still king. That's an Eminem for you. Quote of the day by Eminem. Oh yeah. So, I was watching one of my vlogs yesterday, and I normally don't watch my vlogs, so I mean, you know, I was bored. And it came to my memory. See, I can't multitask. Men cannot multitask. That's why I'm having trouble doing this. Oh, I didn't even open the right thing. It came to mind that I told you guys that I would show you my Minecraft house when it was finished. Did I do that? No. Oh, it's really distracting now because I can see myself in the... Oh, chucks. I can see myself in the photo booth, so it's really like... It's like meception. That would be me and me, but just... No, don't worry. Anyway, yeah. So here. So, let's go. So, there's some single player there. My, general awesome world. Oh, you can see me! So yeah, this is my place. I built that tower. Let's go for a walk, shall we? I'm gonna hold the camera and show you guys at the same time. Yeah, here, how about that? Okay, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so please don't mind the fail. Okay, so... One second, it's not gonna work. You can see that? Of course you can. Here, just, wait, one second. Let me see if I can bring it right in front of your faces. Okay, that's what we do it now. So, you know, I might make it full screen. Oh yeah, now, get the troll face and put it under the camera. So it's propped up like that. Oh yeah, now back to game. So this is my crib. Over here, let me show you the front of my crib. I know you can't see it fully yet, it'll get better. This is Whoa Villager. Okay, so you go through this water over here, right? Go through the water. You go through there. You go up here. Whoa, challenge accepted. Don't fall off the ladder. Every time I'm like, don't fall off the ladder. Challenge accepted. Still on the ladder, see? The ladder's fully long. So this vlog's gonna get really boring while I go to the top. Troll face! Yeah, I know. So I have to do my homework now too. Hey, by the way, a package arrived from Hong Kong. Yeah, I ordered some universal adapters because I didn't have any for this country, and people wanted me to buy some new people. So I did, and I ordered 5, and I messed up the order, and then I cancelled some. And I ordered 5 in the end, it was all fine, and then I got 6 today. Oh yeah! So I emailed the guy because I'm such an honest person. I'm like, what do you want me to do about it, right? Anyway, so here's my house. See the whole top story like this, the waterfall going down the side. Here you have the lava roof, you can climb up there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I put some lapis lazuli blocks over there to put my bed on the glass, because apparently you cannot put your bed on the glass. Yep, that is pretty much it. You can climb up there, but there's nothing much up there. So let me show you how to get down the quick way. That's right, I strategically positioned the door here, so that you can simply just drop out, woohoo, and thou shalt not die. Whoa, there we go. That was it. Why is there a squid being scary around here? I don't even have a squid. That's all for now. So, check the main channel. Don't let me drown. Fire out. Psst, long vlog there.